In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload digital products to Gumroad. If you're selling ebooks, templates, design assets, music, videos, or any other downloadable file, getting your product uploaded correctly is an important final step before customers can access it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Gumroad and what to do so the file is attached to your product properly. To begin, log into your Gumroad account and look at the menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. From there, click on Products. This will open the area where all of your existing products are listed, making it easy to manage the one you want to update. Next, click on the product you want to work on. This takes you into that product's settings and details page. Make sure you choose the correct product before uploading anything, especially if you sell multiple items, since the file you add will be connected to that specific listing. Once you're inside the product, click on Content. This section is where Gumroad stores the files and materials your customer will receive after purchase. If you've never uploaded a file to this product before, this is where you'll set that up. In the Content section, click Upload Your File. Gumroad will then ask where you want to upload the file from. Choose the location that contains your digital product. Depending on your setup, this could be a file stored on your computer or another available source shown in the upload window. After that, browse for your digital product file, select it, and click Open. At this stage, it's a good idea to quickly double check that you selected the correct version of the file. For example, if you have multiple drafts or similarly named files, confirming now can save time later and help avoid customer confusion. Once the file has been selected, wait for the upload to complete. The amount of time this takes will depend on your file size and internet speed, so larger products may take a little longer. It's best to let the process finish completely without closing the window or navigating away from the page. When the upload is done, click Save Changes. This is the step that confirms your update and makes sure the uploaded file is attached to the product correctly. If you skip saving, your upload may not be applied. And that's it. Your digital product is now uploaded to Gumroad. After saving, you may want to review the product's content area one more time, just to confirm the file appears as expected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.